And this valve is leaking, but it's okay because we got covers. But you know what? Let me see if I have something for this. So what we'll do is we'll recover everything. We're gonna press enter. Give it a moment and okay guys, so we lost nothing. 1.6, 1.5, 1.6 is a perfect amount for this vehicle. So it lost nothing, but we're still gonna fix that valve. We're gonna put oil in the system and we're gonna vacuum this baby really good. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna take off this line next. So let's replace this valve. This is the valve I went and got. Okay, you can pick this up from a store. It's AC valves. They're different, high and low, but let's see if this fits really good. And let's take this off. Okay guys, so we're gonna replace this. So what we did was we did vacuum recover everything from the system. So the system does not have anything in there because you cannot open that baby just like that. So our tool right now has a pressure going in. Okay, it's a vacuum pressure. It's not a regular pressure. So we're gonna take this baby. We're gonna just turn this, and we should be able to get this little guy out of there. So turn, turn, turn. You see how this sits here? This is how it sits. It's just like a tire valve. This thing sits in there just like that. And right now we just got a vacuum pressure. So it's just sucking it down. Let's release that pressure. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have to get something to get that out. So originally when I took off this cap and I was putting my hand on it, it was leaking. You could feel the pressure coming out. So I do want to get this guy out of there. So I might have to turn a bit more. Let's turn this guy a bit more. Okay. Let's see if it comes out now. It's loose. Okay, it's loose and it wants to come out. So the valve is loose. I'm gonna use this needle nose to pull this guy off. If this is thin enough to grab it, it does not want to grab it. Okay, how am I gonna get this off? How can I get this out of there? A magnet maybe? Maybe. It's loose. Okay, let me try magnet. Okay, so we tried magnet. It's not gonna magnetize. We tried this big needle nose. We tried this pick here. I got one and got another one right here, tiny one. Even this guy might not grab it. Okay, it did grab it. Oh yeah, it's coming. It's coming. There you go. Oh god. There you go. So that's what the valve looked like. So it's the same as this. Perfect. Usually the seals right here, there's another seal down here. If I push this, you will see a seal inside. They usually fail over time. There's another little seal in there. So this is perfect right here. You don't need to put oil or anything like that. Take your little tool here, tighten this baby up, and you're all set. That's how you're gonna change the valve. Always put a cap on, and that cap holds a good pressure. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna vacuum the system for 20 minutes. So remember, I told you guys. Okay, so it's all done. Let's see if this baby leaks now since we changed the valve. Perfect, no leak. Let's check this one. There you go. Perfect. And you always want to put your caps on. These caps have a small little seal. For any reason, if it fails, it holds it. So you see the AC never leaked, even though the valve was leaking. And we're all set. Make sure they're nice and tight. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.